My door frame's all painted and ready to go. My window regulator's in. Now it's time to get this door skin ready to be welded on. I'm going to use a pneumatic punch flange tool and run around the perimeter of the door skin and put holes every couple inches. This is going to be where I weld my door skin on, and it's going to hold that door skin on nice and tight. With the door skin prepped and ready to go, I'm going to use a door skinning hammer and dolly to start folding over the edge. Once the edge is folded over most of the way, I'm going to come back with a door skinning tool, and that's going to crimp the door skin edge over the door frame edge, creating a nice strong bend. I'm super happy with how it fits and looks. This AMD sheet metal, it's great. Now it's time to start welding this in. The 67 Camaro, it's a 1-year only vent window. So I gotta get these 2 tabs up top in just the right spot before I weld them in. To ensure I get my vent window tabs in the right spot, I'm gonna use a digital caliper and measure my other door. Using that door as a reference, I can then locate those tabs on my new door in the right spot and weld them in place.